Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Oh my goodness, this isn't my kitchen! Where am I? Oh, I remembered I'm in Arizona. It is gorgeous here. The only thing I need is a special gal.
Found you.
What? Oh, what in tarnation? It's Jesse from Catalina Treats / 5th and Overland. Great to see you,
I have
buddy.
every Airbnb in this state until I found you.
Well, it's great having you here in this special kitchen today. We're gonna cook something now. Okay.
I found something special for you. It's Mesquite chocolate chip cookie mix.
Mesquite? That sounds unique. The mesquite tree is very prevalent in this area of Arizona. Growing on the tree, you find these pods. They take these pods and grind them up and create a flour, mesquite flour, which is found in this baking mix. I've melted a 1/3 cup of butter.
Now add a teaspoon of vanilla.
And 1 egg. Then you just whisk that up. Like this. Cookie mix! That smells unique!
That's the mesquite.
Dump it! Time to mix it. For best results, let's chill it for 10 minutes. Let's cover that in parchment paper. Scoop it.
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 Bake it at
350 for
10 to 12 minutes. Cheers. Fabulous! How do mesquite trees grow taller?
They stand on their mesquite toes.
I'm so happy to have my special guest here, Jessie. Make sure you check out her channel. What is it again?
It's Catalina Treats Carb-Free Kitchen.
Oh, is there another one as well?
5th and Overland.
That's a lot of channels. Check them out!